Greetings, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. Good preparation entails a lot of perspiration or effort on our part as proclaimers of the good news. Pronunciation drills form a good part of our preparation as lectors. The scope of the drills today covers the period from July 4 to August 7. Each drill contains the following steps. Read what is flashed on the screen. Then I do it myself. Check whether you did it right or not. Let's start. Amos. Next. Amaziah. Amaziah. Next word is Jeroboam. Jeroboam. Next word is Israel. Israel. Country. Country. Right? Prophesy. Prophesy. All right. Next word is shepherd. Shepherd. Sycamores. Sycamores. Harlot. Harlot. Next, syrup. Syrup. Next, a long word, which is, yes, reconciliation. Reconciliation. Then we have, yes, comb. Comb. Next word is a noun, used as a noun. Refuse. Refuse. Like in the phrase, refuse of the wheat. Refuse. Next word is lamentations. Lamentations. Right? Next is Edom. Edom. All right. Plowman. Plowman. Okay, this word is used as a noun. The word is increase. Increase. Like in the phrase, yield its increase. Next one is Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Next one. Ancestors. Ancestors. Next. Obstinate. Obstinate. Next one. Satan. Satan. Abundance. Abundance. Hosea. Hosea. Baal. Baal. Espouse. Espouse. Anger. Anger. Samaria. Samaria. Calf. Calf. Next word is used as a verb. Sow. Sow. Used in the phrase, sow the wind. Sow the wind. Next one. Ephraim. Ephraim. Okay. Immolate. Immolate. All right, the next word is luxuriant. Luxuriant. And Avon. Avon. Next word. Thistles. Thistles. Piety. Piety. Portents. Portents. Saint Benedict. Saint Benedict. Hearken. Hearken. Hyssop. Hyssop. Uzziah. Uzziah. Seraphim. Seraphim. Ephesians. Ephesians. Spiritual. Spiritual. Destined. Destined. Calves. Calves. Lambs. Lambs. Bullocks. Bullocks. Ahaz. Ahaz. Jotham. Jotham. Reason. Reason. Aram. Aram. Pika. Pika. Okay, next word. Shear Jashub. Shear Jashub. Did you get it? All right, next word. Remaliah. Remaliah. Next is conduit. Conduit. Smoldering. Smoldering. Arameans. Arameans. Next word, used as a verb. Tear. Tear. Don't always tear papers. Tear. Next one is asunder. Asunder. The next word is tabial. Tabial. All right. Next one is firm. Firm. Holy. Holy. Recesses. Recesses. Rooted. Rooted. Tarshish. Tarshish. Next word can be in two ways, but I'll say the first one, which is impious. Impious. But can be also said impious. Impious. All right, the next word is kindling. Kindling. Chastising. Chastising. And writhes. Writhes. Next is creatures. Creatures. Hezekiah. Hezekiah. Poultice. Poultice. Terrace. Terrace. Severs. Severs. Micah, Micah. Evil, evil. Covet, covet. Satire, satire. Not, not. Jeremiah, Jeremiah. Multiply, multiply. Govern, govern. The next word can be pronounced as Magdalene, Magdalene, or Magdalene, Magdalene. Next word is sought, sought. Next word, take note. Toward, toward. Banquet, banquet. Tomb, tomb. Bashan, Bashan. Gilead, Gilead. Anathoth, Anathoth. Benjamin, Benjamin. Womb, womb. Earthen, earthen. Saint Joachim, Joachim. Perseverance, perseverance. Ransom, ransom. Neighbor, neighbor. Elisha, Elisha. Baal Salisha, Baal Salisha. Baptism, baptism. Perath, Perath. Forage, forage. Continuous, continuous. Precious, precious. Okay, next. Adversaries, adversaries. Revel, revel. Refuge, refuge. Message, message. Jehoiakim, Jehoiakim. Josiah, Josiah. Shiloh, Shiloh. Desolate, desolate. That is used as an adjective. Next word, Ahikam, Ahikam. Shaphan, Shaphan. Rescue, rescue. Abyss, abyss. Moses, Moses. Hoarfrost, hoarfrost. Aaron, Aaron. Zedekiah, Zedekiah. Hananiah, Hananiah. This word is pronounced in two ways. It can be Azure or Azar. I repeat, Azure or Azar. Next word is Gibeon, Gibeon. A long word or name, Nebuchadnezzar, Nebuchadnezzar. Jeconiah, Jeconiah. Transfiguration, Transfiguration. Take note of the next word, Daniel, Daniel. Myriads, myriads. And the last word, arisen, arisen. That's it for now. Let's continue to be effective proclaimers of the good news and always strive to be near to perfection. Good luck and God bless.